healthcare, making it more accessible and personalized than ever before. So, what does the future hold for artificial intelligence in the realm of mental wellness? Imagine a world where AI-powered therapy bots are as commonplace as your morning cup of coffee. These bots, equipped with the ability to understand and respond to human emotions, could provide immediate, personalized support to those in need, anytime, anywhere. Picture real-time mental health monitoring where AI algorithms can detect shifts in your mood or stress levels, providing early intervention and prompt support. Imagine personalized mental wellness plans tailored to your unique needs and lifestyle by AI to ensure optimal mental health. But this brave new world also brings forward challenges. There are ethical considerations to weigh. We must ensure that the use of AI doesn't compromise privacy or autonomy. We must also ensure its accessibility, so everyone can reap the benefits regardless of their socioeconomic status. The future of AI in mental wellness is promising and full of possibilities, but it also requires careful consideration and ethical vigilance. To recap, we have explored the potential of AI in understanding and improving mental health. We've seen how this intersection of technology and psychology can lead to innovative solutions, creating more accessible and personalized support for all. We've discussed how AI can be harnessed for mental wellness, from identifying patterns in behavior and emotions to providing virtual therapeutic interventions. It's about using technology not to replace but augment human connection, empathy, and understanding. Looking ahead, we've also touched on the future of AI in mental health. It's a future that holds promise, but also requires careful consideration of ethical issues, like ensuring privacy and avoiding bias. As we continue to innovate and explore the capabilities of AI, it's essential to keep the conversation about mental health and wellness at the forefront. Because mental health matters, and so does the role artificial intelligence can play in it.